the former finance minister, Honorable Enim, try to obey no. Say, on also so end up making a mistake. Say, Uti Honorable out of force no finance minister na. Ne pronunciation and I say, ni statement that o make it on betting tax na ye be abolish no. Or ye mistake and or refer to as winnings on lottery.
The Evans Abiam Chaluto.
Yes.
Namidia.
Yes. Embrano by say yes, Sombrano, ye bet 10% winnings on lottery any betting. But the 18-year Juma was betting the end, which is regulated by the Gaming Commission. But Lotto the end there, and over Kaya Assassin winner, Samia Wuku, Ekoye interview with Yenyanum or Repa, and so by years are only the Okana, which they've been confusing almost self with say Lotto there. Because your banker to banker, Lotto kills Bre, any and conform with Bromidi Lotto about any registered under NLN. And Manico Parliament on which you 2 million. Na abeye NL for na juma se omube make sure say omube register Lotto for nyina including banker to banker for se ne ebeye so obi di Lotto a ye be hu se nipa kon o cha Lotto we ene wadi ne yetimi age 10% no because omuntimi nya sa de ni nti no 10% on obi a wadi Lotto se ono so ye age sa tax na fi no no ye nje if you tell me share money basis no because omuntimi and formalizing lot of phone in 90 and on the NG enti aye no kre say obi ko jam baby no aka say oh yes ka 10% omo win lot aye gene dia enka former minister no aye right to say satika no ye ngege da empo no ba be ye free ho ma unim say America aka no also try to correct honorable at force no
and also
betting tax
and you so much
and in your bid to correct the wrong pronunciation of Adiana Kasa because also parliament your house of record no you also went along and made the same mistake but unim pa no chano which minu no nyina yenim say from campaign time ebesi enne e sa 10% as a udi better yet no eno ana MPP ni NDC nyina de campaign eno ana honorable at force e call the vetting okoji tu mu say sam ye ato aba mo mu do mu ba o be ye fro enti eno ehwo asem na nu a oka e wo budget nim no we can forgive the politicians on omo mistakes in back and forth with the semantics in names no the ye nim on record and say sa 10% na udi better and say unya any earnings from better no and as I say what push say abano omojitu mo parliament ye be every asam nyina no enu kwase edi mo achi
now to me second question membra 50 ho aye betting tax na ye everyone
you see
those say train parliament but is it good
obi any me stance on this matter and makasa me stance no enye popular but rich the enti make us say eye say every time you start say age no esi enem and na me no ka say MPPO NDCO omuntimi mfa policy mai say sika na ye no ye channel into sports development say unchano and that is me stance me stance ne say enka mo muntwam no omunchano in sports development but everything say both parties no obi anka kire me say enka our policy obe channel kana cost sports development there rich any omo yifu ase eno ano no because they are not sikano and when say ba ne sade to normal football nim sa there is no benefit of that money to sports enti any Oscar pia then I agree with you enti because they are failed to channel say sikano into sports development rich omo yifu omo ni omo ya dream
okay Fifi Anra finance minister I mean he was emphatic say so share betting tax na last year am I 80 million Ghana cedis? 80 million Ghana cedis. Is a year free ho. About as country. I think
say I think say you see it didn't come whatever one as the general conversation of senior we could be the revenue you lose from betting. Now OTA finance minister or bet taxes no if you now or my plan as to how they will make up for the revenue shortfalls. It be get fund, non-capping, all of those things. It be your free SHS when you're Which me, I didn't expect the NDC government will scrap or keep the betting tax. Especially now. Minimum said that be. Say NDC are buying we are, and I say you are buying we are. There will be betting tax. If you speak to every economist that we are here, betting tax is a form of revenue tax, and any earnings beyond your tax. Yeah. In fact, even a check deal will be gifting, it can be taxed. So that's the right thing to go, and it makes sense. Say you bet tax it, but of course, it comes down to the bread and butter issues. Say nipa na ultra bet kakra na ultra nena. Wajene tax bibre. O manu mo den ne ho heha no. Inti tax na o sa jago kan wo the betting kakra na ye be din no. And it doesn't make popular sense. And again, because of the back of campaign promises that President John Dramani Mahama and the financial team, they will scrap the tax. I wasn't shocked somebody here for them. In fact, the economist in the NDC who will tell you say in the long term, betting tax here the back. Because a idea will hold them. So and there are certain levels of taxes be on here for the minister no about VAT in the COVID levy how with time numbers and and omutimi yes taxes be na hu hia e won chen say yes COVID levy na omutimi yes no adwuma then they can repurpose that amount now come lose from betting tax no from into now bringing a tax back and probably having it. So I see it in our future. And then you know 80 million years car Richard in years car I go say yes that's the finance minister can also can you from betting tax no any your friend is saying e-levies can and yes kagidi so they can get it from somewhere. Okay. And that's the most important. So make sense can get important.
And we see only boys needing come out. And your tax na here to me on problem. Like Ayala said, you just scan your heading.
Yeah, of course.
That is the question.
And
you want to tease as you can know, you say okay. A league you cry you struggle see a sponsorship for your clubs. For the meantime, I sponsor beer, papa beer, the Bama clubs. Okay, and then the emphasis came wine clubs.
And we see the thing is that sports would have to make a proper claim to the
at least young from boy clubs. You
see, ideally now this the ideal you because the crime. Sports for no crime.
A crime bang.
No. We see who be such a crime in a different ade. Okay. But also that's what the crime. Free SHS near man need to go to. But I mean person make say sports no see make a claim, stake a claim for that money. So the Parliament Select Committee on Sports need to work on a paper that will present the finance committee in this angle for and let them understand. They say, see betting tax now. One maybe a bit me at 10%. That's what
maybe any 5.
I obidi 1,800 out in 180 cities also near Jumabia.
Okay.
It's too much. Obeti about 5%, 2%, 3%. Maybe also even 2%. Call the part of it. Ever call the sports fund. And in all about how Sani money now the sports. Very important.
But you see, the flip side of Asamina Okano also will be say we've not invested much.
Yeah.
So how much are we expecting it to contribute to GDP?
Yeah.
So for instance, agric, health, education. Say yetimi to the ne contribution to GDP. It is in the right sense because over the years, that has been the priority of government in terms of investment. But so how then do you expect us to contribute? Because you've not school, how do you expect Sakrano to go up?
They will look at it from the point of view of priority,
which is wrong.
They will think that
you have to invest. For instance, and make us a babekano, and minimum say, I bet me that as well. Look, I am the person who introduce show. You program ni year because a cheap program na o say yakoma sika na ye dey to them. Now look, in yakoma sika for 2025. Government says on my allocations. Allocations say you sika no. Look, if on the allocations, look at the programs that we are allocating monies into. There is no single specific sports program. Honorable to force a catcher say, oh, Anya Shekwan, your promises say, you bet your Premier League players, Nasa program, no, Ebia, the $10 million in Ekum. Look, you can go through it. From big push infrastructure to healthcare to district assembly to education to special protection, road fund.
Not to be the devil's advocate, but who's to them? Who's big push the infrastructure? I mean, for President Mahama the first time, the last time, infrastructure, big thing. He sees that as a big thing, priority. NHIS, healthcare, priority. District Assembly Common Fund. I mean, they say
education, free education.
I say the picture in the eyes of the average Ghanaian politician, it says the sports is not a priority.
Exactly, that is the point.
No, that's the point. So it's
as I know the encounter,
like say transport platform. So a day after your budget, now your list allocations are by a year. Now we can go through the list from top to down. There's no direct sports investment. You are allocating BBA specifically say it is targeted at this sports programmer. It should be a worry to us.
Okay, so no.
It should be a
finance ministers are can be back. JB how they enchain.
You see? Now
and sports minister also the about to Ghana.
Minister can be health minister omba omunyo. Omunyo so ministers are.
Omunyo be parliament.
Of course.
When they enchain say they are minister ba.
Me problem is have we done enough? And it goes the sector minister. Sector minister after sector minister. Have they done enough to policy documents? And every day we speak to documents. You always go back to it. The Ben Nayahu minister, why in a Juma proper dossier to make a state claim say sports tourism crown you bet men you to the country.
But come for cyber Mr. Yadro. A baby draw kind.